All right, guys. You ready for a night adventure?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, well, if we're gonna go on a little adventure, then remember what the rules are for adventure.
Yeah.
You gotta stay happy and be calm and patient, right?
And no one buck hands out the window because I got tripped by some wire.
Yeah.
And they're still there.
Yeah, don't put your hands out the windows, huh?
Right there. But did we get stuck?
No, we didn't get stuck.
We did get stuck. We did get stuck.
It's weird. The obstacles look bigger here for some reason right now. So this is our first time actually airing down our tires at all. I've typically, on all our off-road adventures so far, I typically just run them about what I do on the road, which is like 30, 35-ish.
That orange spot.
Yeah, that orange light up there?
Yeah.
Anyways,
What's that coming from?
it's coming from a light pole up there, huh? But today I'm running them at 20 PSI and just testing to see what they feel like, see if it's, you know, a softer ride. And so far, the ride is much softer, which that's definitely a welcome improvement. I've always thought in my vehicle, with the clearance being an issue, I have pretty decent clearance with my 2-inch lift and my bigger wheels, but since clearance is an issue, I don't always air down, and also, of course, it takes extra time to air down. But I can tell that there's a good bit of erosion on this track since I was here last.
Snow.
Does it look like snow, guys?
Yeah, because it's white.
Man, there's lots of junk here, huh?
Yeah. That's not only
So if you guys hear a humming on the video, my LED front headlights, they make a humming noise. The fans that cool them down,
what's that?
they make kind of a buzzing noise.
Yeah. And don't crash into the pool.
Okay, don't crash into the pool, you say, Eli?
No, that.
Oh, the pole.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It kind of sounds like pool, where
Yeah.
there's water, but I said pool that goes up.
So it's kind of interesting. This particular spot right here, there's a hump. I'm kind of up an incline. There's a hump, and with all-wheel drive,
Jesus!
it's not super easy to get over the hump. But we'll see if I throw it into four-wheel drive lock, or the VTM4 lock, it oh, I got traction control on too, which I always forget to turn off. Got it off now. Woo-wee.
Are we going to that spot where I found that trail?
Yeah.
Oh,
You remember that spot?
yeah, I found that. I wonder what it means. It has two ways where we can go. It has two spots where we can go. That's
Yeah.
it. I can't see it. It's over there. Out this window. But there's a huge hump. A huge one. Yeah. But there is another spot where we can drive. And it sure is. No. Window down, Eli.
right, you guys ready to go down?
Yeah. Don't go in there.
That was kind of hard fought turning around in there, honestly.
Then we can go
It really
around.
kind of shows the limitations of a vehicle that doesn't have a lot of flex. I had some wheels up in the air at different points there, and it really makes it tough.
Do you think there's another spot where we can go?
Yeah, I think there is another spot that I was gonna see about exploring.
This is really soft sand.
It is, isn't it?
Really soft. Yeah, we get that one.
All right, let me go scout this one real quick, okay?
This big one. This big girl. Oh. He's going to climb up it. What's
Yeah,
that?
I think we got it. We'll see though, huh?
Yeah. But you can't go through here. There's a mud pipe. But we maybe that's a little one. Yeah, this one. Oh, that was wet.
Man,
Go.
I think we made it farther. I think we made it farther than we are really meant to go here.
Guys. 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 Can we go the other way and these
That
doors?
steep spot?
Yeah.
Maybe. Here, I'm gonna whack this thing real quick.
What wax? It's not, but the lights on the core. Yeah. Where's he going? Okay. Well, he's gone. That's good. And it's going to be. What's this?
Yeah, my axe.
Yeah.
You guys like that?
On a tiny axe when I go. On a tiny axe.
A little hatchet.
When I go.
You okay, Eli? You're all right, right, Eli? Are you okay? All right, you guys ready for this big bump again? Big hill? You guys like that?
Yeah. It's bouncing back and forth.
Yeah.
That was silly, huh? Yeah. No. Are we out of that part?
Yeah, we're out of that crazy part, huh?
Why?
Let's see where this road
I don't want to play Daddy. Now you need to get smacked in the face with a fryer. With a branch.
bad.
Yeah, but that part remember that time where I fell on that part right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, or that part where the sand is.
I don't remember that part. Oh, up on the top?
Yeah. Remember that?
Yeah, I guess. You guys want to go fast?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Remember we going back? That me going back and we hit a bump?
Yeah.
That would be really cool.
Yeah, we definitely drug going down that.
And that was really spooky.
Yeah. We got a problem.
Huh.
The GoPro just died.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Last bit of footage. I'll film while holding the camera one-handed, okay?
We can't have a car here. I take pictures.
Well, that would be a good idea too, but
We can't
finish.
have a car here.
We'll finish this trail. I'll just drive one-handed, okay? Definitely have to be careful though. We don't want to crash, right?
There's a lot of flashing things.
Yeah, we're in this ravine. We're in this like little sandy canyon, huh?
Yeah. Probably a maze. Probably it's called a maze.
It is like a maze, huh?
What? Yeah, because
It is like a maze, isn't it?
or you call it maze.
Oh, call it the maze?
Yeah. Because it leaves because it has lots of leaves.
Yeah, it does, huh? All right, I gotta turn the big the big lights off. All right, so I guess we made it back to the gravel road, so that means we'll probably be okay for making it all the rest of the way home, huh, guys?
Home to the top.
Exactly. Yep.
That's why.
All right. See you guys. See you on the next adventure, right, guys?
Yeah. On to another adventure. No, say see you later. Say see you later. Peterson.
See you at the next maze. Like that, Eli?
Yeah. Keep brave. Stay wild. You will see you on the next adventure.
The next adventure.
Stay wild. Stay. Next field adventure.
Oh yeah. I definitely could tell a difference with the tires being lowered to 20 psi. That's for sure.
Stay wild.